Today's video, another unboxing. Stay tuned.
At me.
Ordered off Amazon. Link will be down in the description. So there. Watching or skip forward if you'd like. This resistor crossover. Make sure you guys run that. Alright guys, trying out a 4K sound test. See if this will work. It's all hooked up. Ready to go. This is just the tweeter right now. Alright guys, let me know in the comments what you think about that. Let me know if you guys are going to run these or if you already got some. Link down in the description. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.